Guys, today, Regina Daniels has been buzzing all over social media. Let's talk about Regina Daniels. The things you're going to hear on this video is even going to shock you even more. So watch the video till the end before leaving your own comments.
Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga.
Guys, I'm back. Today we will be talking something totally different from this channel. I love to spill a little bit of tea. This is my own tea. I'm drinking my carrot juice here. Before we dive into the topic that I wanted to address today, if you are from Nigeria, the news has been bubbling for the past 3 weeks. Regina Daniels and what's his name again? Nednwoko. Regina Daniels and Nednwoko. And 18 years old girl marries a 60-year-old man. Wait until you hear the whole gist. K.O. Moko. Regina Daniels is an 18 years old chap, so she's not even quite 19. She will be 19 sometime this year. Okay, but she'll be 19 sometime this year. And the older guy, Nednwoko, is 59 years old. We all know, if you've been following this story, you cannot tell me that you don't have a hint of what is going on. So let's face the fact and call the spade a spade. The speculations is saying that they are secretly married. That this guy, Nednwoko, is a Muslim guy. He already have 5 wives, and Regina Daniels will be or is already the 6th wife. Hello? 6th wife. My darling Regina, I can be your mother, right? I wonder if this is true, because at a point I kept asking myself, is this real? Is this not real? So I went over to her Instagram page to see what is going on there, what she's posting. So this girl has been lavishly living a lavish life on this man's wealth, right? You can see her flaunting in private jets. And not too long ago, she posted, no, before the recent post, she bought a house, a car. No, before the newest post, she posted a house that is said to be built by this Nednwoko for Regina's mom in the village, and they are from the Delta Igbo. Delta Igbo is from Asaba. This is what the news is saying, that she is from Asaba, but she was raised in Onitsha and Asaba as well. The mother, nobody's talking about the father. The father is nowhere in the picture. Speculations are saying that the mom is a single mom. Regina has 5 other siblings. This guy was a former House of representative in Nigeria. So he is a politician. He has acres of land. It was said that he has 43 acres of land. Let me read it out from my phone, what it says, so that I can tell you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, say that Nednwoko has been named the Prince. Okay, the name is Prince Nednwoko, a former House of Rep member from Idumoji, somewhere in North Delta. Delta is in Nigeria. Prince Nednwoko is a lawyer. He's a businessman and he's a politician. He owns the biggest resort in Africa called Camp Ned, which sits at 43 acres of land in acres of prime and lush land of his hometown of Idumoji, Uboka, which also serves as the love heaven for him and his new lover, Regina Daniels. So it's not only the speculations. The news is all over the place. Everything is on Regina's Instagram page. She has about 3.5 million followers on Instagram. She flaunts the Rolex wristwatch that the guy got him. She travels on a private jet. She flaunts new cars. The newest car that she just posted, I believe it's Bentley. It says "Be on it," and then she says, according to Regina Daniels, she says "my baby." And then when I was reading my research, and if you are in Hollywood, if you are a Nigerian, you will know that Nigerian actresses does not make money. They don't make money by acting, and this girl is only 18 years old. She started acting at the age of 8, and not too long ago, about a few years ago, she made it to the big screen. When you say that people made it on the big screen, don't sit there and be thinking, oh God, Hollywood making millions. She is estimated before meeting this guy to what? 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira is like, let me tell you, it's like $300 if you're watching this. So 100,000 naira is equivalent to $300. So this girl, she's been buzzing, she's been bubbling. Everybody is talking about her, and other people will say, oh, that Regina doesn't give a hoot. Let me tell you something. She is a baby. She is only 18 years old. And according to the source, which they are saying that this guy is a Muslim guy, that he is entitled to marry as many wives as he wants to marry. At 18 years old, my darling, what do you know about being married? You should still be learning how to shower and how to use your tampons and clean yourself properly after that time of the month. What do you know about marriage at the age of 18? I'm not even talking about, okay, two of you, what goes on when two of you are in the private place in the bedroom by yourselves, but in the business world aspects of that, what do you really think that this guy is going to do with you? What kind of conversation are you guys going to be having? You don't know anything about being a mother, about being a wife, about the business aspects, and your mother is there supporting you to go and marry somebody that could be your grandfather. This is an act of despondency, desperation. Yes, how low can a woman go to take your 18-year-old daughter to give to a 59 or 60 years old man? What is going on? What is going to happen? I just feel so sorry, because if this is really true, that she is the sixth wife or the fifth wife or whatever wife that she is, I am so sorry to say that she is digging her grave too early. Because it doesn't matter if if the other wives are Muslims and they're inside the house and maybe they wear, what is that called? They cover their faces and stuff like that. My love, your time is coming very soon. Do you think that those wives will really let you step into the house and live freely as a wife? Which, in my own opinion, a 60-year-old man, Regina should be her last daughter. I believe that if indeed that he have if he have four or five wives, Regina, you're coming into the house, flying the private jet, living lavishly, flaunting your Rolex, flaunting the home or the house that you and your alleged husband built or bought for your mother. How long do you think that's gonna last? If the man doesn't die of heart attack, I'm sorry, you are going to go first before that man. I am saying it openly. A 70-year-old man, heart attack will kill him when you take off your clothes in his presence. One day he will be panting because he cannot keep up with you. You are so young. On the other hand, when a phone rings, he might be thinking, okay, you will be using his money to go and date the younger girls, which definitely is going to happen. Whether you want to believe it or not, how long can you keep up with an old man? And for the old man, how long do you think you're gonna keep up with the young chap? For how long? And then for the young chap, who thinks that she has gotten everything, she has the money, she has this, she has that. How long do you think that the other ones who has been sitting in that throne is going to let you enjoy that throne? You have to be smart, my darling. Let me tell you, all that glitters are not gold. It is not gold, and it is only for temporary. There is pure no love here. So don't even come here, watch this video and tell me that she is better than being a side chick. What side chick are you talking about? How long is somebody going to be somebody's side chick for the rest of their life? No, tell me. Everything that started like this has expiry date. Even life in general has an expiring date. And then you're talking of you, a baby of yesterday. You could be my last child. My last baby is 17 years old. If I see your mother, I wish I would see your mother. I'm just going to whoop her ass like you won't believe that. I will whoop her ass. What in the world is she thinking? What is she talking about? Tomorrow somebody will tell me she is in love. Neither. There's nothing called love over there. No love. You should be sitting your butt in school, studying and looking for guys 25 years old, 22 years old to mingle with, for you to experience what love is. This old man is not gonna show you what love is, because my dear, my darling Regina Daniels, you are digging your early grave. So I am going to leave this here. Don't come here. If anybody come here and try to insult me, I will block you and report you to YouTube. I will not take no insult from anybody. You are free to leave your thoughts and your opinions and what you really think about what is going on. Because if you really love this girl, you have to be very honest. 18 years old and a 59 or 60-year-old, what do you know? You know nothing about life. You know nothing about business. You know nothing about marriage. You know nothing about figuring out who you are in life. You are still in your early days, early journey, trying to figure out who you are. Because at this age, you don't even know your personality. At 18, people in their 30s are still figuring out who they are. And at 18, you think that you know and people people can come here now and say, oh, it's her life. Yes, it's her life. And as I'm a blogger, I am entitled to my own opinion. So this is how I feel about it. Take it or leave it. And then, my dear Regina, I'm not wishing you bad. I wish you and your mother, I'm not even saying the Ted of a guy or the Ned of a guy. I am wishing you and your mother the best of luck, and I wish that your head comes out of this journey. I feel sorry, and then I wish you luck at the same time. So thank you guys. Subscribe, share this video, and press the blue bell so that you will know when I upload a video. Bye bye. See you guys. Thank you guys. See you.
My liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing, I they think so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me on. Me na pillow one, say she give me feel one. Say let me the pillow one, say she give me feel me one. Mara one, say she give me for me on. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.